Okay, if you want to go, this is how it goes, bro. This is what you are going to take. You are going down to the cliff there, and then you are going to take a boat. The boat ride will take all the way to the other side. Okay, you see the crater there, the crater lake. Okay, the crater lake is the first lake, but we are not going there. We are going to further up, and the other one, which is the other lake over there. That's the smallest, one of the smallest volcanoes in the world. So you got to walk, and then you got to trek up all the way up to the other, this one.
太远了，而且真的今天想下去不简单，下
They will drive all the way down.
It's really a big downhill. I'll just.
You want me to take a photo of you? Come. Okay, this is the place where they rear their fishes. They call it a tilapia and shrimps.